Did you know that a simple computer error once nearly started nuclear war and killed 269 innocent people? On September 1st, 1983, Korean Air Flight 007 was supposed to fly straight from Alaska to South Korea. But the pilots made a tiny mistake programming their autopilot. Just one wrong button press. The massive Boeing 747 drifted 365 miles off course, heading straight into Soviet airspace over their most secret military bases. For over 2 hours, Soviet radar operators watched this mystery plane, convinced it was an American spy aircraft. Fighter pilot Gennady Osipovich was ordered to intercept. He saw no lights, got no radio response. The passenger jet flew silently through the darkness like a ghost. Osipovich fired 2 missiles. All 269 souls aboard died instantly, including a U.S. congressman. The Soviets lied, claiming it was a spy mission. Cockpit recordings later revealed the crew's final moments of pure confusion, having no idea where they were. This tragedy changed everything. It's why your phone has GPS today.